Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration by using the formula integral f of x whole to the power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So by using that formula we are going to solve first question, integral cot cube x into cosecant square x dx equal to integral cot square x I am writing aside into, so direct formula it is. See it looks like cot x whole cube I am writing into cosecant square x. Only thing is d by dx of cot x, derivative of cot x is what? Minus cosec square x, right? It is there but only we want only negative symbol, that's all. Multiply and divide, so that we can write minus of f of x whole to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, direct, minus cot power 4x upon 4 plus c. Therefore integral cot cube x into cosec square x dx equal to minus cot power 4x upon 4 plus c, right? That is the end of solution. Clear? Second one, integral square root of tan x into 1 plus tan square x dx. First observe this whether it is in the form of standard formula or not. So we are writing, so this I am writing tan x to the power 1 by 2. This is from second identity, I can write secant square x dx. So clearly it is in the form of f of x whole to the power n. This is f dash x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x, right? So from this f of x whole to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, right? So we can write this is 2 by 3 of tan power tan x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Therefore integral root of tan x into 1 plus tan square x dx equal to 2 by 3 into tan power 3 by 2x plus c. That is the end of second solution. Okay. Third one we will see. Third one, direct formula that also. Third solution, third one looks like second result, that is f dash x by f of x dx equal to log mod f of x plus c. Okay, see once, integral sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. F dash x, derivative of d by dx of 1 plus cos x is what? Minus sin x. Derivative of 1 plus cos x. Derivative of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x. but we want minus there, so minus integral minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx, right? So it looks like f dash x by f of x, right? So I can write log mod f of x plus c. Therefore integral sin x by 1 plus cos x dx equal to minus log mod 1 plus cos x plus c. That is the end of solution. Okay? Third one we will see. Third one, integral cot x by square root of sin x dx. Integral cot x means I can write cos x by sin x into root of sin x dx. Clear? Cot x means we can write cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Fundamental t ratio. So this is whole power 1 by 2, this is 1. So I can write cos x upon sin x whole to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 dx. Now I am bringing it to the numerator. So sin x whole to the power minus 3 by 2 into cos x dx. Looks like that formula. See, this is f of x, this is f dash x. So f of x whole to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So sin x whole to the power minus 3 plus 2. How much? Minus 1 upon 2. This also minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 upon 2 means minus 2 it will be plus c. So this can be written as minus 2 by root of sin x. Okay? Therefore integral cot x by root sin x dx equal to minus 2 by root of sin x plus c. Since it is minus 1 by 2, when we bring it to the denominator, it becomes plus 1 by 2. Whole to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but square root. Okay? Fifth question also same model. Let us see the fifth question. Fifth question, integral tan x upon root of cos x dx. Tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x into root of cos x. Compare with the previous problem, same, looks like same. This is cos x power 3 by 2 dx. Bring it into the numerator now. This will be cos x whole to the power minus 3 by 2 into sin x dx. Only thing is cos x derivative. This is f of x I am taking. This should be f dash x, right? Cos x derivative d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So I want negative there. So what I am doing is multiply and divide. Minus into minus becomes plus only. So minus of cos x whole to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So this will be minus cos x whole to the power minus 1 by 2 upon minus into minus plus 2. Right here minus 1 by 2 will come. So minus 2 when it comes minus into minus plus. So this will be 2 by root of cos x plus c. Therefore integral tan x upon square root of cos x dx equal to 2 by root of cos x plus c. right? So that is the fifth one. Now let us see sixth question. Sixth question says, sixth question, integral sin x upon square root of 3 plus 2 cos x dx. So integral, this I am bringing 3 plus 2 cos x whole to the power 1 by 2 when it comes minus 1 by 2 into sin x dx. By the way, find out the derivative of this. This I am taking f of x. Beside f dash x should be there. So d by dx of 3 plus 2 cos x, find out. 3 derivative 0, cos x minus sin x. So minus 2 sin x will come. But only sin x is there. So what to do now? Minus 1 by 2 integral 3 plus 2 cos x whole to the power minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 sin x. Multiply and divide with minus 2. Okay? So minus 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 cos x whole to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay? So this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into, this is 1 by 2, 2 will come up, 3 plus 2 cos x whole to the power 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 gets cancelled, minus under root 3 plus 2 cos x plus c. Therefore, integral sin x upon square root of 3 plus 2 cos x dx equal to minus 3 plus 2 cos x under root plus c. Okay? That is the end of last solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.